Hi friends, today we are going to make a tulip with origami sheets and we are going to also make a card of Happy New Year with the tulips. So let's start. And the things we require are, we need Fevicol, a A4 sheet, we need one green origami sheet, and you can take any other two origami sheets. You can take any color of your choice. I have taken one orange and pink. And we also need one brown sketch pen, one green sketch pen, and one red sketch pen. You can take red sketch pen or any other sketch pen, but we need these green and brown sketch pens. So let's start to make the tulip. First, we'll make the tulip flower. First, we'll fold this half. Fold it nicely. Now we are going to fold it again and make one smaller triangle. Now we'll open only this triangle. See. And this we are done. So now we'll do it. Can you see how I'm doing? Just do how I am doing. Don't do like something else. See. Now we are going to do same thing with this side. Our tulip flower is ready. Now we have to just fold this a little bit. And see, a tulip flower is ready. Now we are going to make the stem of this tulip flower. See, fold it half. Now see what to do. See. Now hold it nicely. Now we'll match it with the lines. Now we'll put some glue in the stem. Now let's try to stick it first. Yep. And done. See. Oopsie. I think we should put some glue like this. So we are done with making the flower. Now let's start to make the card. Now let's glue this whole part. Don't stick this part, otherwise it will not look like a very nice flower. It will not look too much good. That's why just do like under. Inside we will make one more flower as fast as we can. Okay, so this will go half full. So friends, we are done with making this card. So see, it's so beautiful. This tulip is so beautiful. And inside you can write something over here.
Because
so we are done with making this tulip card. And you can also write something over here because there is a lot of space. And you can give this card to anyone you want. And here is one which I made before. And inside, in this also I wrote Happy New Year inside. So, till my next video, bye and thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe on our channel Twitch for Kids by Kids. Bye!